Do you have trouble keeping weeds out of your garden? As soon as you plant your little seedlings, do those weed seeds germinate right alongside them? And then you spend half of your gardening time pulling those weeds out from around your precious plants so they don't suffocate? If weeds are a huge problem for you in your garden, in today's video, we are going to show you how we are working to eradicate some of that weed pressure from around our plants. Hey everyone, I'm Tammy from City Homestead Living, where bringing a piece of country to your backyard is more than our motto, it is our way of life. After watching Living Traditions for several years and how they use the woven weed fabric to eliminate the weed issues from around their garden, we have decided to implement that tactic in our garden beds. So join us today and find out how we do it. Before putting down our woven weed barrier, we first added rabbit manure compost to our flower beds to amend our soil. Today, we are putting down the weed barrier, which we got from Grower's Solution, and I will leave a link below to that and the staples that hold it in place. Our eldest son, Kyle, is here from Michigan and has taken up his old position as the city farm hand to offer us a helping hand on the homestead. We were able to nail ours down about every 18 to 24 inches by sometimes driving them at an angle because we were along the edges of our garden pathway, which has got gravel in it. And so we at first were hitting so many rocks that were underlying that little bit of dirt covering on the top. And we found that driving them at an angle worked really well. And so we're going to go at an angle to try and get that stake in. Yeah, and there's still rocks there. It may not be perfect, but that got it pretty good. Yeah, through the fabric. There, you got it. There, you got it. Thank you, Mr. C. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome.
I am so excited that the weed barrier turned out so well. And if you would like to see more of our garden type videos, click the iCard above.
Thank you for joining us today. We hope that you learned something and gleaned a little value from our video. And if you enjoy being with us, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Be sure to hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload another video. As always,
Happy homesteading adventures.